So imagine being able to make over $8,000 to $137,000 monthly without even having to show your face. Well, this is the case of this YouTube channel, and as you can see from their channel page, they are simply posting short and simple faceless videos that are gaining thousands of views and even millions of views. And though this channel is less than 2 years, they have amassed almost 600 million views. And the same is also applicable to this channel, which in just less than a year, they have amassed almost 130 million views with 143k subscribers and making a whole lot of money. Now, there are faceless channels that post YouTube shorts on Reddit videos, and this is something you want to be leveraging on at this time because this particular niche has a high volume, meaning people are actually searching for this niche at this point in time, and it has very little competition, meaning not so many people are hopping on it. So if you start today, you can start growing fast. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this kind of faceless shots by easily leveraging a unique AI tool, which I will be revealing in the later part of this video. Now, the very first step, as you know, is to create a channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then you already have a channel. Nevertheless, I will be linking a video to the end of this video on how to create a channel just in case you need it. Now, I would suggest that the channel that you use should be strictly for these short videos that you will be creating. Now, the next step you want to do is optimize your channel. And one way you want to optimize your channel to this niche is by optimizing your channel name. Now, you can see here, you can see Reddit book, you can see Reddit.Karen, you can see Reddit reads, and even one of the channels I showed you can see Wild Redditor. So whenever people search for this niche, then you will be at the top of the search. Another way you want to optimize your channel is by optimizing your channel photo. For example, you can see this channel here is leveraging a Reddit logo, and this particular one here is using a Reddit logo reading a book. So you want to do that just to give it a feel on what your channel is all about. And of course, you want to put in something in the about section, nothing too deep, but just you want to put in something there. Now, the third step you want to do is start creating your short videos. Now, I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that not many people know about, and I will be showing you how you can use this particular tool to generate multiple shots and even automate your channel. Now, this tool allows you to bulk generate AI short video and auto grow your channel. And of course, the first thing you want to do is sign up. So you want to click start creating for free. Now, you can either sign up with your Google account or you can simply put in your Gmail and your password and you want to sign up. And once you have done that, obviously you want to log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. And this is the home, and this is where you want to create. So you want to create a Reddit story. And in order for us to create a Reddit story, we need to have a script. Now, we can leverage ChatGPT AI to simply do that for us. You can simply tell ChatGPT, give me a Reddit story. If you want it to be channeled towards a certain way, then you can give it more detail as you want. But if not, you can just say, give me a Reddit story or give me 20 Reddit stories as much as you want ChatGPT to give you. Now, ChatGPT has given us a Reddit story, which we can easily copy and paste into this AI tool to give us our video. Now, you want to click on Reddit story, and there are a few steps in order to fully generate your Reddit story. You have fixing up the background, adding the script, the third subtitle, and the audio. Now, I'm going to choose any background of your choice. So let's simply click on this background. So now we've chosen a background, we click on next. And the next thing we want to do is add our script. Now you can add a Reddit card. And if you add a Reddit card, this is how it would appear on your YouTube shorts. So you simply want to indicate your channel name. Let's say your channel name is Reddit Today. And you want to add an imaginary number of views and comments. This is how it will appear. So what was there before was short AI. So let's just leave it as that. So now for the Reddit post description, we can easily go to ChatGPT and copy the title. We copy the title and we want to post it here. Now it's going to appear here just like this. The next thing we want to do is post our script. Now we want to go back to ChatGPT, copy our scripts, and we can go back and paste it here. Let's take out the spaces beneath. And now once we are done, this is a preview on how your video is going to look like. Then you want to click on next. Now you can click on any of the subtitle templates you want, depending on how you want your subtitle to appear. So we're just going to leave it with this and click on next. The next thing we want to do is we want to choose a voice. We want to choose an audio and a voice that should sound in our video. So let's reduce the audio a little. Let's take use of the female gender. I would suggest that throughout your channel page, you want to use one particular voice just to give it a feel on the voice over behind your shorts channel. So for the age, you can use a middle-aged. Now, these are the various voices. Depending on whichever you prefer, you can easily click on the play button and you can listen to the voice and obviously pick the one that resonates with you the most. Also, you can pick a background music depending on what you want. Here, you can increase the volume depending on how loud you want it or reduce it depending on how low you want it. You can also preview the background music just to see the one that resonates best with you. So you can turn that on here, and if you do not want a background music, you can, turn it off. So we're just going to pick this lady, and we want to go ahead and generate our video. Now, the process of generating your video will just take a very little time, of which you can see your videos in the dashboard. Now, once your video is ready, you can go to My Projects, and you can easily see your videos here, which you can either download or you can post directly to any of your social media platform, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. All you need to do is connect your social media handle. So now, this is how your video is going to look like.
I found a notebook in my new apartment. I wish I hadn't. When I moved into my new apartment last month, I found an old leather-bound notebook hidden behind the radiator. It was dusty, worn, and filled with handwritten notes titled, "Things the Apartment Doesn't Like." I laughed it off, assuming it was a prank. The first rule read, "Don't leave the windows open after midnight. It invites whispers." I live on the 5th floor, so I didn't take it seriously, but on my first night, I forgot to close the window. At exactly 12:03 a.m., I woke up to faint murmurs, like a distant conversation in the walls. I slammed the window shut. The whispers stopped instantly. The next rule said, 2. Never answer the phone if it rings at 3:16 a.m. The next night, my phone rang at exactly 3:16 a.m. The caller ID was blank. I let it ring. On the 5th ring, it stopped. A text followed. Thank you for listening.
So you can see that it is amazing. Even I myself, I got really, really intrigued. And this is super great if you are starting a Faceless YouTube Shorts channel. Now, one way to get the best out of this is by posting at least one short daily, of which this is a very unique tool that allows you to be able to directly post from here to your YouTube channel. Now, one way you can earn with this is through affiliate program, and you can simply link your affiliate link in the description. Another way that you can earn from, of course, posting shorts is by collaboration with brands, and most importantly, of course, YouTube ad revenue for shorts. Now, this particular AI tool also has other amazing features for faceless video niches. You can see that of fake text. For example, for the fake text, this is how your video will look like if you should create it. For the AI story video, this is an example on how your video is going to look like, which is super amazing as you do not have to source for any videos, any pictures, or create from scratch. AI literally does it for you. You can also see an example for the dialogue generator here, which you can also check that out. And of course, for the caption generator, you would have to put your own video and AI will generate the caption automatically for you. Now, I will be leaving a link in the description for you to be able to sign up easily to this tool. And the name of this tool is Shorts AI. If you've been thinking of starting a YouTube channel this year and you are looking at Faceless, believe you me, this is like the easiest, fastest way to do it. And I have already shown you how you can take advantage of this and literally automate it with AI. To take advantage of these features, there are different subscription plans. You have the monthly plan and you have the yearly plan. Now, for the creation plan, which has to do with creating your videos, you have the basic, you have the pro, you have the enterprise. And for the basic, which is $19 per month, the pro, which is $30 per month, and the enterprise, which is $60 per month. And what is included, you can see everything listed out. Of course, the higher the subscription plan, the more features you are able to access. And to be frank, I think this is really affordable given the amount of features that this is giving you and the very little work that you have to do. Of course, which I've already shown you how you can automate it. And if you found this super helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up Make sure to comment if you have any questions. Like I said, I've left a link in the description where you can go ahead and sign up directly, so to ensure you are signing on the right site. And also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, so when next I drop a new video, you will be the very first to see it. See you in the next video, and ciao.